For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Tired of crumbs, pet hair, and dirt taking over your car? I found a tool that makes cleaning effortless. The Chemical Guys 𝐕𝐢𝐭 DetailVac handheld portable car vacuum is my go-to for quick and effective cleaning. With its 110-watt, 8.8-amp electric motor, it handles dust, sand, cereal, and debris in seconds. I've used it in my SUV, and the 16-foot cord easily reaches every corner. No moving the plug around constantly. It's perfect not just for cars, but also trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and even quick cleanups at home. What I love most is its lightweight, ergonomic design. Holding it while vacuuming tight spots under seats or car mats feels effortless. The kit also includes an extra filter, bag, and cleaning brush, which makes maintenance simple. Just last week, my kid spilled cereal in the back seat, and in just a few minutes, the DetailVac had it all cleaned up. No mess, no stress. Keeping your interior clean is easier than you think. 5 to 10 minutes of regular vacuuming, whether during lunch, after work, or first thing in the morning, keeps carpets and upholstery looking fresh. I personally like to do a quick clean right after a long drive to prevent dirt buildup, and it really makes a difference over time. It's also perfect for post-deep cleaning touch-ups. After a full car wash or using a larger vacuum, the DetailVac handles those small areas that often get missed. Compact, portable, and ready to use in minutes, it even comes with a storage bag, so you can keep it handy for quick cleanups. Besides vehicles, this vacuum is versatile. I've used it on RV floors, office spaces, and even to clean up pet hair at home. Its portability and convenience make it easy to carry around without any strain, making everyday cleaning a breeze. Overall, if you want a simple, reliable tool to keep your car, home, or office tidy, this vacuum delivers exactly what it promises.